How to see old call history on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can see your old call history on iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, seeing your old call history, by default iPhones are used to with showing you the last 100 call history. Now, if you want to see more than 100 a bit further, there will not be more than that, but at least a bit further, then iOS has a new update on 17.1.1. So if you're running iOS 17.1.1 or later, in that case, you'll be able to view more of your history. So you might actually want to try to update it. And once you update it, now if you open the phone app and then you go to the recents menu, here you should be able to see lots of recent phone number. There will be more than 100 actually. So you can just keep scrolling down to see the ends of your call history. As you can see, there's really just no end to it. There's as much as I want to. You can see it's not just last 100, but there is basically more here in this case. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then see your old call history on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.